Hi, good morning. My name is Lena Adolf. Welcome to Majestic Smile. I would like to sort of introduce what we do. We are a digital lab predominantly, like 98%. We do crown and bridge work, cosmetic. We do a lot of diagnostics for a lot of cosmetic cases. But we also now going into this new venture of ours, which is digital dentures, and hence the big investment we've done, proper investment in terms of Stratasys. But I'd like first of all to introduce our team. This is Jessica. So she's a dental technician. She aids in a lot of the design that we do here. The other members of the team is we have Carlos, is actually my father-in-law, and he does all the finishing in terms of models if we need to polish, but also the dentures he helps polish as well. That's Aneta, part of the team as well, and she aids also with other bits of work that we do, setups, models, everything. And then one of the most important team members of the team is my wife, that's Mara. Hi. She's my business partner as well, and she basically is responsible for all the admin, the invoicing, and the shipping to all our clients. Well, she is the most important person, put it that way, so I wasn't lying there. Today we are talking about Stratasys, all right? And this is the beauty that we have here, our new acquisition in terms of 3D printing. The reason for our investment is predominantly what it does. Fabulous thing. It's not just a 3D printer compared to what we see in terms of the competition. It's what it does and the advantages. We see other 3D printers. It's all kind of like one printer. You print one material at a time. If I'm doing a medical device and say temporary, then if that printer is occupied with a temporary resin, then I can't do anything else. So that's the limitations of standard printers. Where Stratasys sort of kicks in and provides solution to those issues that I find are concerns is that if I want to print multiple sort of medical devices, I'm able to do that with Stratasys. So I don't have to wait for one printing to finish to start another one. It basically does everything in one go. When we're talking about digital dentures, then we don't have to worry about assembling two parts, the teeth that are printed, the denture base that are printed, and assembling that, because this prints all in one go. Also, the advantage that we also have in regards of the dentures is allowing us to print multiple shades in one. So for example, if I want the incisors, let's just say for argument's sake, A1, and I want the canines A2, and I want the premolars A3, for example, I can do that with the Stratasys. So basically just multicolor, as long as I bring the separate STLs, and it allows me to do that. The main reason why I invested on the DentaJet J5 is for the versatility that it has in printing multiple medical devices in one go. It saves me time. I don't have to worry about cross-contamination because we're using the same resin for medical devices. So it's a time saver, and it's a huge go in terms of anyone that wants to save time and have high quality medical devices manufactured. J5 is your toy to have.